Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to download and install the Memu emulator on your PC. Whether you are looking to play your favorite Android games on a larger screen or test your mobile apps on your computer, Memu is an excellent choice. So let's dive in and get started. The first step is to visit the official Memu emulator website. You can do this by opening your web browser and type Memu emulator into the address bar and hit enter. Click to this website, what is called www.memuplay.com. Click to download to initiate the downloading. You can see that the downloading process was started. Now I am going to open downloads page. After downloading the file, you have to locate the file. You can locate the file by clicking show on folder. It's an installer file. Right click on this and click run as administrator. It will ask hard drive permission. You have to click yes to initiate the installing. After giving the permission, this page will appear here. You have to click quick install. Now you don't need to do anything. It will download files from the internet and automatically start to install the software. Now click to launch now if you want to launch the emulator. This is the latest version of Memu. Thank you for watching our step-by-step guide on how to download and install the Memu emulator. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and we will be happy to help. Next time, happy gaming and have a great day. Khuda Hafiz.